Job of the day. We are changing a jack out for a customer, and I am welding his rear fender back onto his trailer. Quick little job, let's get it done. Perfect, new jack is on. Our jack is on. Let's start working on the back piece here. Just need to get a clean spot so I can tack it, and then I can brace everything up. I got it clean, I can tack it, and then we'll brace it up. Our welder is on. Let's get this tacked up. Sometimes you need 3 hands. Customer had an old piece of 2x2 and he wants me to make a step just like this one for the rear. This is all welded out. He just wants his guys to be able to step here when they're tarping stuff over. So we're gonna use this 2x2 and make it a step. See, have I notched that out enough? I want to notch it into the, oh, I notched it a little too much, but perfect for that. I need to take about a 1/4 inch, and then we'll go to about right, Fender, right there. And step is cut, looks good. Just gonna weld it on. They can get their whole foot on there without breaking anything. Dialed. Let's get that tack on and welded. I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit though. Okay, everything's clean. Ready for me to tack this on and square it up. Fender is welded back on, step is on as well. Just paint it black. Cool. Now his guys won't slip or break his fender when they go to put the tarp on. This job is done. Got a new jack on the front for him, and I welded his fender back on and used some of his material for a step for his guys. Everything's back together. This job's done, and I'm on to the next.